Ituria kehari ihurite kanitha-inĩ wa Nairobi Chapel, kuria family, arata na atongoria a honge ngũrani megucemanitie niguo gutia mioyo ya arĩa makuireire mwena wa Mwihoko kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu thutha wa ndege ya Amref kugwa. Igongona rĩrĩ rĩhanikĩte thutha wa thikũ 18 kuma rĩrĩa mũtino ũcio wahanikire. Kũringana na mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa Amref Flying Doctor Stephen Gitau, ndege ĩyo yarĩ mĩhang'o-inĩ ya gũthiĩ bũrũri-inĩ wa Somalia kuhonokia mwana wa mĩaka 2 rĩrĩa yacemanirie na mũtino ũcio.
As you all know by now, this team was heading to Somaliland, Hargeisa, to pick a 2-year-old baby who really needed to be in Nairobi as fast as possible so that they could live.
Kiaria hĩndĩ ya igongona rĩrĩ, family ya arĩa moritwo nĩ endwa ao nĩmamaririkanĩte ta andũ mendete wĩra wao ũrĩa marutaga na kĩyo na wĩrutĩri mũingĩ.
As a family, we mourn Brow deeply. Yet in this pain, we have discovered something about ourselves. How strong we are together, how much closer we have become, and how intentional we have grown in showing love. We are hugging each other a little tighter, paying attention to each other a little bit more, because now we truly understand how fragile life is.
Pain, though, we have witnessed the truest form of humanity. The outpouring of love, the unity, the presence of so many who have walked with us has reminded us that we are not alone.
As a family, we feel like, at some point, we feel like God robbed, we were robbed at some point. Like he took the best that we had, but again, we remember the Bible says also God takes the best and the best. So we believe that she's still flying in heaven. She has become one of the angels in heaven.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa rĩakwa nĩ Mweru wa Njuguna.